What's going on, everybody? Versus Z, and it's the 1 to 144 scale high grade universal century Acguy review. Once again, with a quick close-up 360 of the kit. Very simple looking, though the simplicity of this kit isn't the highlight of it. It's probably the accessories. The detail, though, just because it looks so simple doesn't mean there's any detail at all. The detail is inside, under all the shell of this kit. But I'm not going to waste time in this review trying to take off all of this. You just know that there is some sort of inner frame thing going on with this kit, just to keep the solidity of it going on. Now for a full body 360. As you can tell, this is a pretty dynamic pose for this kit, so articulation kind of isn't the problem. I'll get to the problems later on. But anyway, let's get him straightened. Oh, we don't have to, but let's get to the review. His colors are two different browns and some gray, and a little bit of black or dark gray. He has this kind of a light soil brown, and then he has this darker mud brown. Gray for some of his joints, backpack. His eye I've done with metallic green, and behind it is clear green. Attention to detail here. So good job with the folks at Bandai for doing this, because this kit really lacks in detail since it's so simple and it's based off an older suit from a very old series, the original, in fact. So you can see the mechanical detail here in the foot. You could see the rotor blades here for when he's underwater. I did pan line it in brown and not gray or black, just because it's a little more fitting. Anyway, his articulation is pretty neat. Once again, the simplicity of this kid, don't let it fool you. His head will rotate 360 and go up and down, though I find that his head comes off a little too easily. Yeah, not much effort in doing that. His arms and legs are equally, I would say, their rotation are pretty equally the same. This one you can rotate all the way around and go in and out, and bend at the elbow once. You can also rotate it here, but it's a little stiff since it's not polycap to plastic, it's plastic to plastic, which is a good thing and a bad thing both at once. This is loose for a reason, so don't get too bothered with this too much. It's loose so that it can, what's the word? For lack of a better word, so it can help with the rotation, so it can make this a little easier to rotate. Like I said, same movement in the legs. It's a little harder though, but without the struggle you can get the legs to move forward about that far, and backwards about that far. You can also go in and out of the body, bend at the knee, 2 points. His feet will go back and forward, or up and down, whatever. And that should be it. Oh well, this arm, his extension arm here, there are 3 separate parts, including this one with a total of 6. All attached the same way the arms are attached to the arms, which is a plastic ball joint with a plastic socket joint, which is good and bad at the same time. Like I said, it's good because they're so tight and stiff, they won't flop down like maybe the Ultron Natapu and the Shenlong had, or the one kit from Gundam X with the same gimmick, or any other gimmick that had that option. I think this was a better option. It's just a pain because they're so stiff. It's a pain to remove each and every one of them. Same goes for the hassle you have to go through just to get these main arms off. It's really stiff. So his accessories here are another option hand, which you can remove these. These, like I said, part swapping is a hassle. It's not the easiest and it's not the best system of part swapping. This you can use for this hand because it has that beam cannon in there. You can't put it here though, it doesn't really matter. Here also is the closed fist, where the claws are retracted inside rather than sticking out like this. Then you also have this weird one here, which is you basically remove this part. I could do that at least. Yeah, you basically remove this part. Yeah, that looked like it would hurt the kit, right? So you basically remove that, and then align pegs and stuff, and you just place it there. I'm not sure what purpose that serves. It probably has to do with anime, but yeah, that was just a really nice addition. But anyway, I think that's it. Final thoughts for this kit. I can't recommend it too much. I mean, if you had to get an Acguy, I would say save $40 for the Master Grade version. It's a lot better. I think there isn't so much part swapping going on. It's huge, by the way. Quick size comparison, I do have the head, which is a little taller than most 1:144 scale kits. So yeah, you can kind of get an idea. Anyway, like I said, I can't recommend this kit too much unless you are an Acguy fan like I am. If you were to get one, I'd say save, like I said, like I just said, save $40 to get the Master Grade version. This one just has too many issues with, not necessarily quality control issues, but too many issues with part swapping. It's too hard. Posing can be a little struggle. The head pops off a lot. Maybe it's just mine, but the head does pop off a lot on mine, and I don't know, it's still a good figure if you can look past that. Yeah, model kit, it's still nice if you can look past all that. So I mean, I can recommend it to Acguy fans, but I can't recommend it to, like a good modeler, though it was a good kit for its price, which was about $9 on sale. But anyway, that's it for this review. I'll see you guys next time. Next week, I don't know what I have in mind. I'm probably going to work on the model kit this coming week. But like I said, as for now, that's it, and thanks for watching. Oh, it looks so cute! Ah!